Okay, trying to fix my intermittent sound issue with my 328. Have the CIC out, check the cables, they seem to be working, seem to be looking good. This is what I'm getting. As you can see, the sound is in and out.
That's kind of the story of a lot of direct.
And I get the no warning tones every now and then. If I wiggle the wires in the back here,
And I said, you know, that
it seems to
different.
Cause something. See, there, I could get the no warning tones to come out if I wiggle some of these wires. Doesn't seem, I could never make it stay on continuously, but it does seem to have some effect when I wiggle the wires. So I tried to wiggle each one individually to see which one is the culprit. However, I am not having luck. I don't know if it's just timing or me wiggling the wires. So now, okay, as you saw, I wiggled one of them. So I think it's more about timing or something to do with the radio, because as you saw, I just wiggled a bunch and pretty much had no effect. So really don't know what it could be. See, now the no warning tone is on, comes off. Radio's not playing anymore, that much anymore. Now it is. So again, sometimes while driving, it will stay on for about 5-10 seconds. Other times not. Navigation works fine, everything else works fine. If anyone has any ideas, let me know.